On a hot day in downtown Indianapolis, chances are good that the classroom you're sitting in, the facility hosting your conference, or the hospital you're visiting is being cooled by chilled water from Citizens Energy Group. Citizens operates a district cooling system that produces and distributes chilled water across multiple energy plants downtown. The system consists of underground piping that connects to individual buildings for cooling, space conditioning, dehumidification, and various process needs. As a result, buildings served by Citizens District Cooling System don't need their own chillers, cooling towers, or water treatment equipment, freeing up real estate space and lowering costs for energy equipment and personnel. Open rooftops mean repurposing this valuable space in a growing downtown area for a variety of uses, including pools, gardens, bars, and restaurants. Chilled water service from Citizens provides customers several valuable benefits, including lower capital investments, improved energy efficiency, enhanced environmental protection, ease of operation, maintenance, and system reliability. The chilled water distribution system includes 15 miles of piping, providing about 60,000 tons of cooling to roughly 100 buildings in the downtown area. The system's main facility is the West Street Cooling Plant, which was commissioned in 1991, then expanded in 2008 to serve Lucas Oil Stadium. The system is supported by 4 satellite plants that are remotely operated from the West Street plant. At the West Street and satellite plants, water is chilled to 40 degrees Fahrenheit. The water is then pumped to Citizens customers through the distribution supply line. Chilled water enters the customer's internal piping system and is circulated for its intended use. Chilled water can be used for comfort cooling in office buildings, hotels, malls, and classrooms. It is also used in a variety of ways throughout pharmaceutical processes, as well as cooling walk-in freezers and regulating humidity. As chilled water flows through a building's air handlers, it absorbs and removes unwanted heat and is returned to Citizens plants through return lines at a temperature of approximately 52 degrees Fahrenheit. The water then begins the cycle again. To create the circulated product, water is cooled to 40 degrees by a chiller. A chiller operates by continuously cycling refrigerant between a vapor and a liquid to create a cooling effect on water enclosed in piping throughout the chiller. The result is chilled water, ready to be distributed throughout the system. Renewable energy already accounts for about 60% of the energy consumed by Citizens' 22 steam and electric chillers that are dispersed at 5 plants located across the downtown area. Utilizing efficient, reliable, and renewable energy to power our chilled water systems is consistent with Citizens' strong commitment to sustainability, which is shared by many of our customers. The chilled water plants have cooling towers, which use a separate water loop to dissipate heat from the return water from a customer's building. As the now warmed water enters the cooling tower, it is distributed through a series of pipes with nozzles. The water exits the nozzles as small droplets. These droplets then free fall into the cooling tower fill. The fill is a series of small flow channels where air, circulated by large fans, comes into contact with the water droplets. Some of the water evaporates, creating a cooling effect, while the remaining water collects at the bottom of the cooling tower and is brought back to the chillers where the cycle continues. Citizens' chilled water operations run 24 hours a day and are managed by 22 employees, including supervisors, instrumentation and electrical technicians, and maintenance personnel. The system reliability rate is better than 99.9% over its lifetime. At Citizens Energy Group, each day we're dedicated to maintaining and improving essential services, including the downtown chilled water system for our customers.